It's time for a reality check. Buying a house requires planning, and one area you especially need to plan for is the cost associated with buying a house. Hi, I'm Danielle, and this is Fresh Keys. So, you have agreed on the price for the property and other terms of the sale. Now you need to make a deposit. The deposit is generally about 5 to 10% of the sale price. You can make this payment from your savings or ask your mortgage institution whether they will cover this amount. You also need to have a valuation report done to show what the market value of the property is. Another requirement is a surveyor's ID report, which identifies the boundaries of the property and its exact location. Your attorney representing you for the sale also has a fee. That is generally around 2 to 4% of the sale price. You want to negotiate with your attorney early and also shop around, not just for any attorney, but one with experience in property sales. With these fees in mind, you want to keep check of the following. 1. Check how much savings you have to help to cover the costs. Secondly, check your mortgage institution to see which of these fees can be covered as part of your loan. Third, check how much contributions you have made at the NHT. Remember, these are also savings that can help you offset these fees. And that's your reality check. Have a mortgage-related question? Reach out to us on our socials or call us at 888-CALL-NHT.